Hello guys, and this is Sylheti Money with another quick update on the market. It's regarding Nano, BNGO, that's the code. They trade in Nasdaq. They have some announcement which came out after hours. I'll go through that with you in a bit, and let's look at the share price. It's trading at $5. They went up just under 5%. And the market cap is $766 million. That's the M cap. Yeah, and it's gone up over 800% in a matter of month, I would say. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the news. Just came out after hours. Okay, the news came out on Market Watch. It's regarding Nano. Okay, the headline is Nano Genomic shares fall after plan to sell more stock. Okay, Nano Genomic plans to sell more shares after a sudden surge in its stock price in recent week, and the shares dove in after hour trading Thursday in response. The company revealed Thursday afternoon that it expects to sell more shares under a shelf prospectus filed in August, but did not spell out how many shares it plans to sell nor our price. The genome analysis company's share traded for less than $1 for as much as 2020 or most of 2020, but began to move sharply higher around the Christmas, gaining more than 800% in the past month. The share closed at $5 and it topped 7 earlier in the week, then fell 10% after our trading Thursday. Basically what that means, they're gonna sell more shares in the near future, and to raise more money basically. So the company is going to have more money for R&D, for various other activities, and that usually happens when a stock goes up so much. So what they do, they sell a percentage of the company to the public open market, which means they're going to dilute the share price, and it happens all the time. So expect the share price to go down according to how much they dilute by. So if they give, I don't know, say 25% of the company's share to the open market, expect the share price to go down maybe 30, 35, 40%. Then it should stabilize. But again, in the long run, that's a good company to be in because of what's happening in the genomic sector. Again, everything I say, it's just for entertainment purposes only. It's not advice. And those of you haven't that subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the like button. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want more information, do comment below and let me know, and I'll look into it. Okay, let's look at another company that's making headline, which is Chek. Let's look at their share price. Wow, they went up just over 11%. Can't believe it. Again, they are into the cancer research related company. They do, well, they got a device out called C-scan, which scans the GI tract for colorectal cancer. So they're into that. Again, judging by the share price, it's really good, and the M cap is just under $80 million. So again, don't in the near future, I think they may do the same thing. They might release more shares to raise more money. So again, that's something to keep an eye on. But both of them are very good stock at the moment. It's the talk of the town at the moment. Okay, so let's look at the market, what's happening in the oil market. I cover both the UK and US market, so every video I will cover US and the UK market. But my favorite is oil stocks and oil related companies. Come on. Okay, wow, look at that. The share price, the oil price is just over, well, $54.5 per barrel. That's the Brent crude, the UK oil basically. And yeah, that's doing very well. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Wow. Again, oil sector is at the moment nobody's talking about it, but as you can see, it's going up, and I think it's gonna take off very soon. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones, see what they're doing. Wow, Dow is over 31,000 at all-time high. Well, I don't know what's going on with the Dow, but it's at all-time high, so do expect a pullback very soon, particularly end of March. That's when I think there might be a pullback. Again, I might be wrong, but this is just my hunch. Okay, let's look at the gold. The gold price tends to go up when there's a lot of debt in the world, especially if you read the news, the stimulus and everything. They yeah, once they have more stimulus, they all the gold price usually goes up. So as you can see, the stimulus was announced in early December, November, and the gold price gone up. So again, this is related to debt. It works like a hedge. So if the gold price goes up, this usually that means the dollar is getting devalued. And let's look at one more Bitcoin, if I can find it. There we go. Let's look at Bitcoin. See what's happening with the Bitcoin. That exploded recently. I don't know why, but it's just going crazy. The Bitcoin. How much is it? Wow. Look at that. It went up to $40,000. Look at that run up. Bitcoin. Anyone who's interested in Bitcoin, I'm going to make a video related to which companies to get into separately, but just now I'm going to have a quick look at one. It's a UK based Bitcoin miner. It's called Rkh blockchain. Is that the UK one? No, let's look at the UK one. Yeah, the ticker symbol is ARBL. That's the ticker symbol, and look at that, it's just gone up 57% today. If we go 1 year or year to date, let's go 1 year, it used to be just under 3 pence. So from 3 pence it's gone up to £1.25.50. Yeah, as you can see on the 52-week range, it was 2.6 and it's gone up as high as £1.30. So whoever invested in that one, did 20x in 1 year. That's 20,000%. Okay, let's look at another oil company which no one's talking about. It's called Rockhopper Exploration. Again, this is under the radar, no one's talking about it. It's a oil play in the Falkland, which is just under southeast Argentina. That's where their block is, in the Falkland, and they're going to explore with a company called Premier Oil. Premier Oil just merged with Harbour Energy. So again, keep an eye on this one. This will take off. Let me show you the all-time high, so we'll get an idea how much that used to be. So Rockhopper used to be over £4.30 at one point, and as you can see right now, it's 7.5p. So this one is a good one to keep an eye on for the oil play. I believe this will do very well once the merger goes through with the Premier Oil and Chrysawa. They said on their statement they're going to look into Falkland development, and they own 40% of the block. So that's it from me. I will have another update for you tomorrow. So yeah, just to keep an eye out for Nano, BNGO, and a Bitcoin play, Argo blockchain, ARB. So until then, that's it from me. And just another reminder, if you want to trade, use the link below for the 212 trading 212. You will get a free share, I'll get a free share. That way you're supporting the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so for more content, and comment below if you want more information related to other stock which you want me to talk about. I'll be more than happy to respond. And yeah, so until then, goodbye.